Hi everyone! You are watching the How to by Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina and today we're gonna talk about Copilot integration into your application. Microsoft Copilot is a powerful AI tool designed to help you analyze data. It can identify trends within specific data sets, generate and use spreadsheets and graphs, and even explain its processes and conclusions. We put together an easy-to-follow guide for developers on how to integrate Copilot smoothly. This guide includes instructions for setting up Copilot on the backend, information on adding necessary dependencies, steps to establish communication between your system and Copilot. Additionally, we offer practical tips on crafting effective prompts for Copilot and share best practices for security, error handling, and testing. Gain step-by-step guidance to make tasks more intuitive and productive. Dive in now!